Maps isn't just about getting from point A to B. With a few simple tweaks, it becomes a smarter tool for everyday life. First, organize your saved places using emoji-based lists.
A burger for your favorite food spots. A mountain for travel plans.
Second, Maps can turn your screenshots into a travel guide.
If you've saved images from blogs or social media, Maps can identify the location automatically.
Third, set your home and work once. And check real-time travel time instantly so you know exactly when to leave.
Fourth, you can even personalize your drive. Small touch, big personality.
Fifth, set a desired arrival time. And Maps tells you when to start.
Perfect timing, every time. Small customizations, big everyday convenience. Follow Daily Hunt for more smart tech explainers.